Welcome back. We are now going to add in a standard PayPal account. And so in order to do that, we're then going to go to the Tools menu. We're going to go and click Add an Account. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to click the checking account. We're then going to write in the name of our financial institution, and we're just going to write in PayPal. You'll notice then that you have your PayPal account there. You're then going to click PayPal. Quicken will then ask you for the name that you normally use to log into PayPal, as well as the password, and then you'll want to save this inside of Quicken. So you can go ahead and write in your login and password for PayPal. And once you've done that, you can click Save this password. You'll then be required to enter your Vault password. And then once you do that, you will then click the Connect button. Quicken will then start looking for your account at PayPal to begin looking for the transaction data. Quicken will then find this information. You can then designate how you want this to be classified. So for example, if you want to classify it as a savings account, you can do that, but typically you would classify it as a checking account. You can then choose as to whether or not you're going to have the data added. So you can actually choose not to download all of the data into Quicken. You will still have your account connected, and then at a point at which you designate, you can have your account transaction pulled into Quicken. But since what we're going to do is we're going to choose a point in time to create a financial statement, it's actually okay to go back and have data from the past added to your Quicken. So in most cases, you're going to leave this checked where it says Add to Quicken. We're going to write a nickname for that account, and we can actually edit that where it says nickname. And then we can designate how this account is primarily used. And so we're going to then click Business. And what this does is this actually will associate certain transactions with business-related categories as they come across from Quicken. So what we're going to do now is we're now going to click the Next button. Quicken will then start adding the transaction data. You'll then see that your PayPal has then been added. You'll also note that it has been synced to the Quicken Cloud, where you can also access from your mobile device. Once you've done that, you'll then click Finish. Quicken will then sync your data. You'll then get a message that your data has been synced to the cloud as well as to your account. Then PayPal and all the transactions typically that you've had over the last 90 days will then be entered into Quicken. And you will then have this data that you will have ready that you can start working with. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.